Hello class, welcome back to Unit 2, English 10, Humans and the Environment. The lesson objective today is defining some vocabulary related to humans and the environment. So first of all, I want to provide you with the definition of the word environment, which is the key word for today's lesson. The environment is the natural world in which people, animals, and plants live. Now, let's move on to the warm-up part. So, can you see there are numbers listed for each object? Please answer my question. What do you see in this picture? Write down the vocabulary corresponding to each number marked on the picture. You can pause this video for about 15 seconds to answer. Well then class, maybe some of you get trouble with some difficult vocabulary, right? It's okay. Now I'll provide you with the suggested answers. 1. Wind turbine. 2. Hydroelectric power. 3. Bicycle. 4. Electric car. 5. Public transport. 6. Solar panels. 7. Bottle bank. 8. Reusable bag. 9. Compost. 10. Reforestation. 11. Organic farming. And all of them are included in the environment. Now, let's move on to the first part of the lesson today, the vocabulary part.
Hi class, so today we're gonna learn some vocabulary related to the topic human and environment. So let's define our first terms. Natural resources. Could you repeat that? Natural resources. Great. Natural resources are material come from the earth. This material could be sun, forest, air, water, minerals. They are found in nature and can be used by people. But you know, humans exploit natural resources, turn them into energy to serve our life. So now, let's look at the word energies. Say with me, class. Energies is the power to do work, like heating our home and powering appliance. There are different forms of energies. Can anyone tell me once? Yeah, we have electricity. The flow of electrical power is what power that we use the most. And next, gas. Natural gas is used for cooking and heating in many homes. But we also have the solar energies. Now, let's connect energy to what we use every day. Household appliance. Can you repeat that? Household appliances are machines that assist in household functions, such as cooking, cleaning, and food preservations. Let's look at the few examples. Refrigerators, washing machines.
Okay, move to the next word, carbon footprint. Repeat after me, class. Carbon footprint. Good. Again. Well then, carbon footprint is a noun used to describe a measure of the amount of carbon dioxide that is produced by the activities of a person or a company. And some contributors to carbon footprints are transportation, energy consumption, industrial processes, and so on. So, how can we reduce our carbon footprints? Plant a lot of trees, good. Yeah, saving energy, turn off when not in use, and use public transportation, very good. Next one, the liter. So, how can we pronounce it, class? Well then, one more time. Good. Litter is a noun that means small pieces of rubbish such as paper, cans, and bottles that people have left lying in a public place. So, which places do you usually see the litter there? Yeah, in the park, in the sea, and on the river. Good. So, next one is the eco-friendly. Say it with me, class. Eco-friendly. Well then, one more time. Excellent. So eco-friendly is an adjective. It means not harmful to the environment or very friendly to the environment. So what items do you think are eco-friendly? Very good. Electric motorbikes, paper straws, and saving energy light bulbs. Very good, thank you. So that's the end of the vocabulary, so move to the exercise about it.
We've just finished learning some new words, so now let's move on to a matching exercise to reinforce and remember these new words better. So as you can see, we have 5 words and phrases on the left side: household appliance, energy, carbon footprints, litter, and eco-friendly, and 5 definitions on the right side. So your task is to match each word and phrase to its correct meaning. We'll do this quickly in just 2 minutes, and I'll give you the answer then. So now let's begin. Time's up, so now let's review the answers together. So the first word, household appliance. So we match it with D. These are devices such as fridges or TVs used in people's homes. Second one, energy. So we match it with E. That is powered used for driving machines, providing heat, light, etc. So sunlight, wind, and water are 3 kinds of energy. Next one, carbon footprints. So we match it with A. So this term refers to the amount of carbon dioxide reduced by the activities of a person or an organization. The fourth one, litter. So we match it with B. That is rubbish lying in an open or public place. It can be a plastic cup, plastic bag, a tissue, or something unconscious people use and then threw them on the streets. These litter items will have negative impact on the environment, so please remember to put the litter in right place. And the last one, eco-friendly, we match it with C. So if something is eco-friendly, it means it causes no harm to the environment. So you can prioritize the use of eco-friendly products like electric motorbikes, saving energy light bulbs, reusable shopping bags to protect our environment. So you are well done. I hope the exercise helps you understand these new words better.
Okay, to gain a deeper comprehension and mastery of how the vocabulary we acquire is applied in specific situations, let's do the gap filling exercise. Okay, you can see that exercise next to had 5 blank spaces corresponding to 5 words that we have just learned. With this type of exercise, we have to determine what type of word formation need to be used for that blank and then consider the appropriate literal meaning. Now let's get started. Time's up. Now we're gonna check the answer. With sentence number 1, we need an adjective, modified car models that come after it. So the appropriate adjective here is eco-friendly. With sentence number 2, because there is a possessive adjective your, we need a noun or a noun phrase go after it. Our answer to this sentence is household appliance. Let's move to sentence number 3. Behind the article the, we need a noun or a noun phrase. Moreover, after the noun or the noun phrase, we also see a clause, you produce, right? So the answer here is carbon footprint. What about sentence number 4? After we need a noun or a noun phrase, right? And the answer here is energy. We have the phrase resources of energy. Let's move to the last one. Sentence number 5. Behind the verb phrase pick up, we also need a noun or noun phrase. And based on the literal meaning, the answer here is litter. That's it. Good job, my student. I hope this exercise will help you to understand how to use the words deeply. Thank you.
So that's all about our lesson today. Now we'll review the vocabulary to remember them better. Natural resources, household appliances, energy, carbon footprint, litter, eco-friendly. So this is the end of our lesson today. Remember to review these vocabularies. Goodbye and see you later.